What is going on, everybody? As you can see here, we got quite a bit of snowfall recently. It's still snowing. And what that means is I got into quite a bit of trouble at work today because of some unplowed roads. I'm going to show you what happened today, but first I got to get these cars cleared off and we're going to get my car inside. So such a chore to constantly be cleaning off these cars, but that's what you got to do when it's snowstorms like this. This has been like a daily chore lately for these past like week or so. All right, just got the car in the garage. I'm just trying to get everything set up now at this point. I was gonna turn the heater on, but I think I'm just gonna try and work quick. I gotta grab some paper towels here because my good old storage pocket down here in my car is full of water. I don't know how that happened. Probably just from getting in and out of the car. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave the heater off for today. I'm gonna just tough it out because I don't have too much going on to where I can't just tough it out. It's not that cold. It's just really snowy. So today when I was at work, they did not plow the streets, and I moved into an alleyway and I got stuck only because the front lip here actually turned into a snow plow. The snow started to like build up against the bumper. So the homeowner and my coworker pushed the car back, and when it went back, the lower part of the bumper caught and it literally just like ripped the whole front bumper off. So you can see it's missing the zip tie there. This is tucked underneath. This is hanging down, not pretty. And it like wasn't attached over here before, because I've actually had, this is not the first time this has happened. This is actually the second time in like 3 months that this has happened. The first time that edge of the bumper caught on something and it just pulled it back, and that side popped off, and now this time the whole bumper came off. Oh, and then instead of pulling the grill off, it pulled the bumper off of the grill. Alrighty, what do we have here? Let's see here. Still a little bit of snow in there. Let's see. Nothing going on with the exhaust. You can see a little bit snow packed up in there. Now I just gotta try and get this bumper zip tied on and figure out what all is broken. So I'm actually gonna take it off first. Check me out, check me out. Yep, this is a piece of the grill that broke. I don't know if you can see on this side. Is it broke? No, actually this side's fine. It's just this side of the grill that broke. Basically all I'm going to do for today to make sure I can get to work tomorrow without having this thing like fly off, I'm really just going to put some zip ties on the main 4 mounting points of the front bumper. We're going to call it a day. That's what we're going to do. Your boy went to the hardware store and we got ourselves a new bolt. This was the old one. It was all stripped out. So we're replacing it with this bad boy. Passenger seat in the car. Let's go. Would you look at that? I mean, would you just look at it? Listen, guys, listen. Over time, your seat hardware will wear out and it'll just get old and crusty. So, do yourself a favor, go to the hardware store, just get some new stuff. That's all you gotta do. Was testing out my seat because I was, I don't know if you can see that. These bolts are loose. I'm glad I figured that out because otherwise I wouldn't have known any better. So I gotta get this seat cleaned up and get those tightened down. Otherwise, today was mission accomplished. I hope you guys have a good rest of your night.